Another unboxing product review today. Today we're going to take a look at the EVCO fast charger. This is unboxing part. This is the what it comes inside the box. They include everything you need. And this is the side-by-side review with the stock Ford Fusion. This charger is going to take around 7.5 hours to fully charge, actually to get the 25 miles. And EVCO is going to give you around 40 miles per hour at the max, right? So this charger is going to take up to maximum like 48 amps. That's it, more than enough. But you have to run the cables up to 60 amp. As you can see, unit itself, you're going to be surprised how the unit is built very, very nice and tough, right? And these plates, the mounting bracket, it's going to be the metal, right? Steel mounting bracket. So you're going to unscrew on the both sides. You're going to lift it up and you're going to mount it. It's very, very easy. EVCO made the very nice detailed review how to mount this unit. It's super simple, right? Your unit is just a one screwdriver and that's it, you're going to mount. And when you're looking to this unit, you're going to get surprised, like input cable, look at the difference, like 4 times the thickness of the cable for this unit, right? So, of course, they include extra long the input cable, right? As you can see, like three fits. It's a lot longer than any the chargers in the market, and of course it's made like a beast, made for lasting. Now the charging cable also extra long. All right, and look at the difference between the factory cable, right, flimsy thin factory cable, and this is not the plastic. As you can see, very nice rubber materials. It's not going to break on, and of course it's going to last long the years for utilizing. All right, now we're going to connect that, and as soon as you connect, it blinks, and as you can see, it clicks from the back, so it means it's going to start charging. All right, as you can see, the LEDs, I have a 0 battery. It's going to charge the fully load, and yeah, it's going to be the charging. All right, this is application. What you can see now is I'm charging the vehicle. Here on the bottom, as you can see, you can adjust your amperage at the nighttime. For example, you can do the maximum if you have the 40 amp, or from the unit itself, the device itself, you can open it and you can do the 48 amp if you need it. So on this list, you can see all these the cost, how much money you spend each charge monthly. As you can see, all the diagrams is very, very nice, detailed application. So you can see voltage is going, amp is going, watt per hour is going. So you can schedule any days, for example, depending your work schedule. If you work at night, if you work at the day, you can schedule this here, and it's going to be automatically charged. EVCO also, they made their own the charging plug. As you can see, the plug itself, mine is plastic, the cover, I put the tape because it's sometimes I charge, I leave outside when it's raining, but they made, this is different approach, metal. As you can see, that's steel metal, nice the protection cap here, and the very waterproof protection cap, right? You can throw it and you can do it, but the charging itself a lot, look it's a lot lighter, and you know, it's plastic, half empty, but this one it's like very, very thick materials. Even the charging, the Tesla plug is not quality like this one, but this one is made steel, nice click, and you're gonna put it in, you can drop it like do a lot of times I do. Sometimes I'm gonna put it, it's a rainy time, I'm gonna drop it, but this one's nothing gonna happen. It's way heavier, way thicker materials, everything is made high quality materials. On this part, it's gonna show you details explanation, how's the light blinking, is the blue, all that stuff, right? The red is the green. All right, as you can see, very great product, so very high quality. When I ordered, I was thinking like a little bit less quality it's gonna be, but they over delivered the product. In my previous video, I did a couple fast charging units. Even you replace any vehicle, any electric cars, you don't need to keep buying the new ones, because up to 48 amperes, it's gonna charge very, very fast. Even if down the future, if I buy the Tesla with the adapter, I can charge any Tesla. For example, for the Tesla, you're gonna pay $450, right? It's gonna be similar price with this one, but this one is gonna charge any electric vehicle, including the Tesla too. So this is a very nice investment. It's a long-term investment. Once you buy it, once you install it, it's going to be there, high quality materials, everything, and you will enjoy your fast charger in your house, right? So a lot of times it happens, how I do is on this slow chargers, when I come home, it's at 3 p.m. for example, I plug it because I set up on the vehicle after 12 a.m. it has to do charging, right? So from the 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. those 3 hours just a dead time because I forget to set up from the vehicle and it's not going to charge the vehicle, right? On this one, a huge plus, I have a app and I can turn on anytime I want. Even I plug it to charge, I set up after 12 p.m. to charge, but I can turn the app and anytime I can just click it and it's gonna start charging my vehicle. It's very convenient, very easy to use. Anytime I can stop the charging to wait the night charge, or I can just turn on anytime it's the charging, right? I can charge my vehicle multiple times a day, so it's gonna give you a maximum electric driving. Electric driving is like 3 times less price than usually the gas price, right? It's gonna give you a lot of flexibility and maximize your electric vehicle when you're riding with this kind of unit. Good job EVCO to bring the good products in the market, and I'll talk to you in the next video, guys.